Kanchanpur 60 assembly constituency ne YTF ne kya committee gothan kha chini in presence of Tini North Tipra Motha president, district president chini brother Suresh Tong in presence of him and chini joto aro tangson pala tong chung salai kha even broad decide khajesponot map post rikhe break chana broad discuss khepai hai kya list out khepai ni chang list nai kha analyze khepai ni they are well and good and antabo bo executive body plus member of him mung saklai nai and according to this brownie approve already khepai ha kya anta mung saklai nai first YTF Youth Tipra Federation Kanchanpur Block Committee 60 Assembly Constituency ni YTF ni President Firoz Kumar Riang, Vice President Vishnu Kanti Chakma and Vice President Amitabh Riang, Secretary Pradeep Riang, Assistant Secretary Dhirendra Riang, Assistant Secretary Gautam Kumar Riang, Assistant Secretary Baisparam Riang, Finance Secretary Chongkrungha Riang, Organizer Secretary From Saiha Riang, Assistant Organizer Khasuho Riang, Office Secretary Suborno Chakma, Information Secretary Pritimoy Chakma and Jisaya Riang. Okay, Executive Body YTF ni and members are Raju Chakma, Milton Riang, Chinmoy Tripura, Rajesh Riang, Vigyanjoy Riang, Rajan Chakma, Sujit Riang, Kamlesh Riang, Jyotilal Riang, Sujan Chakma, Dornongo Riang, Gulson Kumar Riang, Uben Shankar Riang, Dormendro Riang, Khasmaiha Riang, Khajiram Riang, Kholendro Riang, Devasur Riang, Onumoy Chakma, Hamsarai Riang, Clinton Riang, Anup Kumar Riang, Rajubon Riang, Rohit Riang. Boke chini YTF ni member. Moreover, face introduction ang khairina chini boke chini YTF ni 60 Assembly Constituency ni YTF ni President Firoz Kumar Riang and chini first chini Secretary Pradeep Riang tongo and braunobo ang sanai je tini post maimu pore brau kaham khe chini bhobishot plus chini future ni je step chung je break up chini Tipra saron otai bo chugri nai chesta khenai chini YTF always as a warrior chung tongai designation doesn't matter all YTF member no ang good luck sa no ani YTF as ang North Tripura ni YTF ni president with ang chini committee with ang